ECRAID is an acronym for European Clinical Research Alliance for Infectious Diseases. And the idea is basically to build an infrastructure for clinical research on infectious diseases.
Ecraid can be seen as the merger between prepare and combat. On the one hand, there is combat, developing an infrastructure to better study new antibiotics. On the other hand, there is prepare, building an infrastructure to better catch new epidemics. In the future, we want to integrate these two projects into one clinical trial network infrastructure in Europe.
It will also focus on services that will alleviate these ethical, administrative, regulatory, and logistical challenges so that we can do our clinical trials much faster, much more efficiently, and therefore at a lower cost.
Today, we have invited the major stakeholders from Europe to listen to us, to our plans, and to be updated on what we are going to do in the next 2 years.
Collaboration is essential in general in science. I think that today science as a whole is not something that one university or one researcher can do alone. I mean, most of the big discoveries, the things that really change the world, come from collaboration. But especially in fields like AMR is even more important, because when you're talking about antimicrobial resistance, you're not talking about something that looks in terms of borders. I mean, you look at things that happen beyond borders. And so you have to be able to have people collaborating.
FPA members, pharmaceutical companies, are direct partners in Ecraid and would be developing with Ecraid the governance and the working methods that would allow this public-private collaboration. Today's health challenges cannot be resolved by one party alone. It cannot be done just by the public sector or just by the private sector. Each sector has something to offer, and we are very keen to collaborate with Ecraid to bring sustainability to the projects that were done before.
Sustainability is key because in Europe we work with these ad hoc project collaborations.
Anyone who has been involved in studies like that knows that building a network costs a huge amount of time and effort, and it's a shame to see them dissipate after a project is over. And I think that's one of the key issues that Ecraid could potentially solve.
The ultimate goal of Ecraid is that we have ongoing platform trials for the major diseases and disease symptoms ongoing in Europe.
People still work in their different fields, in their different universities, and sometimes they don't get together. And the power of Europe, the added value of Europe, is to put them around the table working together. And so investing in Ecraid is exactly investing in that ability of working together.
And I think there's a lot of positive attitude from the many different networks that are here. So that's good. I think it's a good starting point.